Hi, today I'm going to sing Cough Syrup by The Young Giants. Hope you like it, but please don't hate the video, please. Thank you. I used to shout or even care at all. Losing my mind, losing control. Fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. When the road aches for a beat of a drum. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away. Just unfortunate, I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. Calm down, I used to shout to even care at all. Coming up now out of the blue. Zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. A dark road aches for a beat of a drum. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away. Just unfortunate, I should have found by now. So I run out to the things they say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. Calm down, I used to shout to even care at all. I'm losing my mind, losing control. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away. Just unfortunate, I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. One more spoon of cough syrup now. And that's it. Sorry it wasn't brilliant, but my throat's sore and I don't really know that one that well, so thanks. Bye.